This video is a demonstration of how to use a class notebook that was created outside of Teams and copy that information into the class notebook that is created inside of Teams when a teacher creates a team for one of their classes. First thing I'm going to do is obviously access the team that I want to copy the information to, and specifically the class notebook. Next, I want to open that class notebook in OneNote 2016. Give it just a few minutes and it will open into the application that is installed on the desktop. Notice, for example, I now have on the left my class notebooks, including the class notebook created for this team. Also notice inside the section of the content library, there is no section called OneDrive. I'm going to go to a different class notebook that I've used in training before and select the OneDrive section that I actually want to copy to the Teams class notebook. Once I've selected it, I'm going to right click and select Move or Copy. I will then go back to the Teams training class notebook, select the content library, and select Copy. I do not want to move it from the original class notebook. You may have noticed this bumped down just a little bit on the left because now that section has been added to the content library of the Teams class notebook. Next, I'm going to right click and select Sync this notebook now. That will expedite the process in making sure the information is synchronized into the class notebook online. I'm going to come back to my browser, close this dialog box, refresh the window, and I should see the OneDrive section now in the content library of the Team class notebook. Once it refreshes and reloads Team, application, and the class notebook, I expand the content library, and there it is. And I have now successfully copied this OneDrive section from a different notebook not created in Teams into a class notebook that was created inside of Teams. I hope this helps.